Clarke Quay, people, for tea. Well, we're probably going to shoot across to Robertson Quay, smash out the Boomerang Bar or something similar. Boomerang Bar. If you're an Aussie and you've not been to Boomerang Bar, you're not an Aussie. So you got to go to Boomerang Bar.
Well, we haven't been there yet.
Well, then you're not an Aussie. And it's Aussie, not AZ. We've made it to Clarke Quay and we're heading to Robertson Quay. Shameless chalking. I don't know if you've noticed, but everyone sticks to the left hand side on the escalator because the right hand side is for everyone zooming up and the left hand is for those that stand still. Alright. This is like home. Woo. Nice. Hey brother, how you doing? Good. Good mate. No, the ice cream man's not here. There's a gentleman on this corner that is 84 years old when I last spoke to him. And because there's no retirement plan, he was selling ice cream on the corner and he's been selling it for 20 odd years. Ooh. No, that's not him. But he sets up every morning. I'm hoping he's still going, but he's not here now. Sets up every day on this bridge to make ice cream. Well, not make, but sells it. And they put it in bread, which is a little bit weird, but their bread's sweet. Welcome to Clarke Quay, people. It's not a bad place to stay if you want to stay in Singapore on the mainland. The nightlife here is awesome. There's definitely lots of restaurants and bars to go to at night time. Little bits of activity as well. There's a giant slingshot that's just over there, and that's sort of like a 5-person swing. Again, you can hop on it. I'll stay on the ground. Look at that, Clarke Quay Central. Straight down that way to the right. Look, Jim Beam, for shame. You could smell what I could smell. If you love seafood, then this place is fantastic. But right now, it's breathe through your mouth, not through your nose. Whoop, bye. No problem. We stayed here once at Robertson Quay, and it was just so easy for me to work out where everything was from Robertson Quay. Another dog. You don't get it in Singapore. Not many people have pets. The Funky Bridge. Yes. Real food. Honestly.
Not seafood.
Nah, not seafood. You watch, first thing on the menu, seafood platter. This is Italian.
Like?
Yeah, Italian, so this is not bad. Now we've got pasta. Oh, by the way, this is where we stayed. The village up above.
Okay.
We stayed here.
Nice?
It was, yes, it was okay. Yeah.
Just like where we are now?
No, nothing like where we are now.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Bella Pizza.
This is better.
Oh yeah, I know.
I loved last night.
Did you? Was
I
last
loved
night's
it, but
McDonald's
this
meal
is a bit
good?
better.
I did tell everyone on my little YouTube channel that we will end up back at McDonald's, and we did. Honestly, if you're going to come to Singapore and you want to stay on Sentosa Island, you stay at the village. But if you want to come to the mainland, you want to stay somewhere close to Robertson Quay and Clarke Quay. Robertson Quay to me is much better.
Here smells really good. I
That's-
reckon it's coming out of here.
Do you like a $2 juice? No juice. Look at the bridge. Hasn't changed in 3 years, which is good.
Yeah.
Look, it's safe.
Got one.
We got plenty. Hello. 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 Oh. Okay. I'm not sure. I'm not judging. We're all different. Yes. Ooh. That was a bit seafoody, wasn't it? Rob De Castella's brother. Rob De Castella's brother. Yeah. Oh, that's right. Past the 24/7 and Tapas. Well, no, this is not. Don't judge me, but I think we're almost... Well, no, I'm just saying we're almost at Boomerang, so... But the one where the chap came out to greet us looked like had good menu. That is not COVID. Wow! Yeah, got the river. Absolutely, Michelle, we are here, Long Beach. This is the one, I think. Maybe not. All Boomerangs here. We've made it. Made it to the Boomerang Bar.
Chicken schnitzel.
Oh, I told you that. Watched AFL Grand Final here once. Crows didn't do so good. Hello. Boomerang Bar. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Actually book a table for Friday or Sunday night
You could do.
in front of the TV, please.
We could do. Or we could just eat here tonight as well.
Again.
Why not? It's the Boomerang Bar. This is where Aussies come. See you guys, thank you. Had tea there tonight. Want to look up? Mondo Mayo, Singapore. Absolutely fantastic. Probably the best pizza I've ever had in my life. Nice tiger beer. Brilliant. Okay, Shano is down here. Hey, how'd you go in the toilets? I didn't want to tell you. The toilets, you have to hold your breath. It is so bad. They may have been cleaned 20 years ago. Okay, so we stayed here once, and it's not a bad place to stay. Puppy dog? Hello, beautiful. How are you? Oh, hello. Yes, it's Lockie. Oh no, it's not. It's the food on the ground. Hello. Hello. No? You want a pat? No? You want the camera? Hello. Sorry.
You're trying to walk.
Oh, I can eat that. It's beautiful. Look at me. It's gorgeous. Oh, trip her over. That's the way. That's just like Baxter, isn't it? Baxter walks wherever Baxter wants to go.
Oh, look at the face! I'm going
Oh.
to have the ball for you. He wants to go play the park.
Yeah. Look at that. So we're heading back into what we would call Clarke Quay, not Robertson Quay. So Clarke Quay and Robertson Quay, my definition of the difference is Western food, more towards Clarke Quay is seafood. And if you're a seafood eater, I'm not sure what culture we'll call that, but yeah, Western is more pizzas, pasta, whereas down here in Clarke Quay, plenty of seafood to eat. You remember this?
Let's stop.
No, here. Oh, F-15s. Yes. Singapore government and their Defence Air Service use F-15 and F-16s. The tail fin, there's a difference between the F-15 and the F-16s. The easiest way to tell is it has a single fin or a double fin, and then you can tell the difference between their fighter jets. Either way, they play what we would call cat fighting or dog fights every day. And it's very nice at night. Oh my, a GTR. And then if a GTR is not good enough for you, we'll hit the Lambo. Holy sugar honey iced tea. Absolutely, look at those lines. This thing is beautiful. Well, oh, Honda.
This is a family car.
This is beautiful.
This is a family car.
This is the best out of all of these cars. Honestly, the Honda.
You sure?
They don't have sliding doors. You have sliding doors.
They have doors like that.
Yeah, but no, you can't beat sliding doors. Oh, Lambo would be nice. Yeah.
Where are you from, sir?
Australia.
Australia?
Yeah,
Down
from
under
Australia.
there. Yeah, welcome
Yeah.
to Singapore.
Ah, fourth visit.
Fourth visit?
Yeah, fourth time.
I see we go to the same barber.
Yeah. Cheers, buddy. Yeah. Good to meet you. Have a good
Nice
night.
meeting you.
Thank
Enjoy
you.
your trip, eh?
I will. Have fun in your Lambo. Oh, this thing. I wish I knew the owner. Oh, GTR. Beautiful. Oh, there's Shane taking photos of the bridge. Lovely. Absolutely. Look at, if you're going to come to Singapore at night time and you are looking for a place to go eat and you don't go either Clarke Quay or Robertson Quay, then you are missing out.